Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up YouTube tags and titles using VidIQ step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the VidIQ website. Log in to your VidIQ account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts. Once you are logged in, head over to the YouTube video you want to optimize. Look for the VidIQ Chrome extension icon in your browser's toolbar. Click on the icon to open the VidIQ dashboard. Scroll down to the Tags section of the VidIQ panel. Here, you will see suggested tags based on your video content. Select relevant tags that relate closely to your video's topic. You can also add your own custom tags. Make sure to separate multiple tags with commas. Next, focus on optimizing your video title. Click on the title field in the YouTube upload panel. Use the VidIQ keyword research tool to find popular keywords related to your video. Incorporate these keywords into your title naturally. Aim for a title length of around 50 to 60 characters for optimal display. Once you have your tags and title ready, double-check for clarity and relevance. Make sure your title accurately reflects your video's content. After you're satisfied, save the changes to your video. Finally, monitor your video's performance in the VidIQ Analytics section. Adjust tags and titles as needed for ongoing optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.